Hi, and welcome to PlatypusOS, your personalized AI assistant. The first thing you'll do when you get into PlatypusOS is create your personal assistant. The platform is going to walk you right through the getting started process. First, you'll name your personal assistant. You can describe what you'd like this personal assistant to do for you, and then choose the type of role you'd like this personal assistant to take on. I'm going to choose General Assistant. Next, we'll build their personality. I'm going to go with a neutral formality level, a balanced cognitive style. I'm going to give it a mid-tier warmth, a little bit of humor, and I want it to be pretty direct with me. Next up, you'll choose what your assistant is going to look like. This looks like a good Eva to me. And now your assistant is ready to use. Now the fun part starts where we get to connect our applications to your assistant. Using the search field, you can search the thousands of applications we already have connected, or you can even add applications that may not be in our database already. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and connect to my Slack. And you can see here, Slack is already in our catalog, has a few different ways of connecting, and will give you specific instructions on how to get the credentials that we need. Now that your assistant is created, you can have them get to work for you by clicking the chat button. Now that my assistant is created, I can have it run tasks for me any way I want. If I have my CRM connected, for example, I can have it update records for me. I can have it send Slack messages, run accounting functions, or even just send an email like a personal assistant would. Let's say I want Eva to put a new event on my calendar. I just prompt that in. The prompt is in, and I'll just click send. And as you can see, my assistant created the event and gave me a notification that it's been complete. And here you can see the event has been placed into my calendar for today at 5 o'clock, and support@techtoolbox.net has been invited to this event. And now back to my personal assistant, Eva. Eva is able to do more than just run tasks and create events for me. With access to the entire internet, it can also answer questions, help you strategize, or just help you find a nice restaurant in the area. Your AI personal assistant also learns and grows with you. The more you use it, the more it's going to know how you need it to operate and will continue to answer questions, strategize around your business, and communicate in a tone centered around you. You can see here, I'm going to have Eva try to help me find some new ad campaign ideas that will be successful for PlatypusOS. As you can see here, it's going to respond back to me, understanding my business and my products a little bit more, so it can help me strategize on an ad campaign that would work. I'll answer some of its questions and see what we get back. And as you can see here, it's helped me come up with a few campaign ideas prioritized around ROI. If you ever need to add or delete applications from a specific assistant, go ahead and click Integrations. And here you can see I can reconfigure any app that I want, I can rename them, or I can unlink them. And I can add new tools by clicking the Add Tool button. You can also view all of the tools that you have connected and which assistants they're connected to right through the Tools tab. Now, let's take a look at the workflow builder where you can build automations between all of your different applications. To get started, just click New, and then you can actually just describe whatever you want the workflow to do right in this text box. Once you click Apply, the AI will set up and configure your entire workflow for you. As you can see here, I have it scheduled to go every day at 4:39 p.m. It'll run a search from my Recurly billing system, and then send me a Slack message with all of those overdue accounts. You can build workflows between as many tools as you want with a platform like this. And coming soon in our developer studio, you can build workflows and applications and then actually sell them right through our marketplace. Finally, if you ever have any feedback for us, if there's an application you'd like us to connect that you don't see in our lists, or you need any support, go ahead and click the Feedback tab here. And our human support team will be back with you within 24 hours. And that's getting started with your PlatypusOS personalized AI assistant, saving business owners and individuals hours of work time per week and thousands of dollars in admin overhead. The future is here with PlatypusOS AI assistants.